All right, guys, we're getting under this 1965 Malibu Chevelle, and it's got a big block 396 in it. It's got billet pulleys on it, aluminum radiator. It's got front and rear power disc brakes, power steering, AC. Again, it's got the 396. All these steering components up here have been gone through. They are really nice and tight. This has dual exhaust. This is a big block 396 with a 4L60E. I really like this one. It's got your back housing. That's all new. Drive shaft's new. These floor pans, they do have some scaling kind of going on with them, but they do look and appear to be original. Flowmaster dual exhaust. This also has your 12-volt rear end. Come on. Yes. And we got your rear disc brakes there on the back. All the suspension coils have been done. Yep, it is ready to go. That is for sure. I really like this one. And for the price, it needs a little bit of work you can do on your own, but everything else has really been done with it. Hey guys, it's Hutch, Classic Car Addict, Mesa, Arizona. I'm going to bring this brand new addition. This is a 1965 Chevrolet Chevelle. It's got a big block 396 in it. It's got a 4-speed automatic transmission. It's got AC. It's got power steering. It's got power brakes, 4-wheel disc brakes all the way around on this thing. What we're going to do is we're going to show you the exterior, show you the interior, and take you on a test drive. Stay tuned. Guys, we are looking at this 1965 Malibu Chevelle. Oh yeah, big block 396. This thing's just awesome. I actually really like this color. It's not a normal color that you go with, the gray with the teal, but it actually goes really well. There are a few little things with it. You got this little crack here. There's a few little scrapes that you have on there. Nothing crazy other than that one. That is right there. But overall, I mean, this thing, it's got a few little things, but this thing's a driver. Hey, it's ready to go. Hey, it's got a crack right up there. Got a little bit, few paint issues right there. Put it right there. Glass is in good shape. The roof's actually in really good shape. Overall, like I said, it's got a few little things with it, but it's really not too bad. That sound overweighs a lot of it. Looks down the side, it looks all good. Again, that roof's in good shape. Got that crack there, little chip. Arizona, you're gonna have it. The Boss wheels, they do have, it's got a little bit of whatever chemical that they use to clean it, not the right stuff. But overall, you got that 225, 45, 17s on it. Those are in good shape. See right there. Oh yeah. Here in the back. Yeah, these are 245, 45, 18, and these are in good shape. And all the tires are in good shape. Let's see under here in the hood. I'll show you what this is all actually about. There we go. Big block power. 396. Air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, MSD. It's got a Holley double pumper on it, aluminum radiator, electric fans. Yeah. Right there for your Get into the interior. Door panels are in good shape. Got the teal, the black seats. They're a little iffy. They aren't original to the car, but they actually look good. Got some speakers there. Carpet's in good shape. Dakota Digital gauges. Oh yeah, thing's actually in really good shape all the way around. It really is. Let's get into the trunk, show you a little bit of that. And here's the trunk. It's actually in good shape. Right there, you can tell they definitely did some fixing on a couple of those rear quarters. Battery's been relocated to the rear. Those speakers up there in that speaker tray. But yeah, overall good shape with that. Fitment on that's really nice. And over here, passenger side. You got a door panel. And the seats are in all right shape. Not the best, but in decent shape. Carpet's in good shape. Looks like some of the trees kind of blew in here a little bit. It was all nice and clean. But yeah, dash has got a little crack right up there, but all this is actually in good shape. Upgraded stereo. They're right here. Yeah, those actually roll up really nice. Rolled down nice. Yeah, that's good with that. It's a hot day today. That rolls up nice. Rolls down nice. That's good. Shuts well. See if the keys work. Yeah, that locks just like it should. On here, see if this. And that does as well. So that's all good with that. That window goes up and down. A little stiff, but not too bad. That's good there. Now let's try this one. Up and down. That's nice. And let's get into the old infamous. There we go. All the gauges work good. Temperature reading good for as long as it's been running. Let's get this up. Go on the test drive. Test drive here. Yeah, these B&M shifters, you know, it's either you like them or you don't. It's a little, and the steering here, it's like a sport power steering. It's not overall the best, but it's not bad. I don't know if any of you guys are double pedalers. So used to drive different clutches. Oh yeah, shifts out really actually nice. It really does. AC blows nice and cold. Yeah, I like that. Gotta have the AC. But it's about 100 degrees today. Overall, but stereo works. I don't know if we got any, I don't got anything hooked up to it, but the stereo does work. Let's see. Wipers do not work. Turn signals do work. to a 4-speed, and I said from a 4-speed to a 6-speed, and then 6-speed, just got to skip the 8-speed, go right into the 10-speed. Oh yeah, that shifts out really nice. We got over 200 photos, nationwide transport, online financing, everything that you need. ClassicCarAddict.com. Yeah, 4-wheel disc brakes. I mean, everything on this is really good. It needs a few things just around here and there, but other than that, I mean, this thing is actually really ready to go. It really is. See, burnout. Oh yeah. Catch you guys on the next one.